Hello gurus, welcome to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. It crashed down exactly as I called it yesterday. Actually, we're going to look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, show you where I'm going to open trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, comment on every video. 5 winners chosen every month. Let's jump straight into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals, and yesterday I actually dropped before it happened. But we're getting a bounce back in the stock market and actually a recovery in Bitcoin, which is good after that drop. DYDX up 4%, CRV 2%, a little bit of a recovery. Let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did drop yesterday, as I said. We came down, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle that then went bullish when it broke out, but then failed and it retested, it bounced exactly off the bottom of the symmetrical triangle. Look at that, it literally touched the line perfectly or just above it and bounced. But in my opinion, we're still falling. And I called this happening before Bitcoin actually did this drop yesterday. I'll show you that in yesterday's video. I made a video 21 hours ago, crazy Bitcoin and Ethereum trades volume. Now stochastic is turning up, so we can still, if we can get some volume push, then we can go long. But in my opinion, I think we're going to be breaking down here and hard, because we broke out and then it failed. Now it's retesting. It should have bounced with a lot of volume, but it didn't. So I think we're going to be dropping, but let's see how it plays out. And then Bitcoin did do that drop. 21 hours later, you can see Bitcoin did fall into this triangle, and then it had a bit of a bounce, and there was some volume, there was some buying volume keeping it up. Look at that, but it's actually failing. So in my opinion, I think we're going to be coming down here. RSI very oversold, turning up. That's a good thing. Stochastic turned gray and squeeze mob turned gray. Stochastic turning up and squeeze mob turned gray. So if we can get a follow through of volume here, that would be a good thing. EMA ribbons are turning down. VPVR, we have not much support down here. That's also a problem. There's no real big support underneath here. Crypto Guru Bot has flipped back to a sell. It flipped to a buy. It flipped buy a few days ago, went up, and then it flipped to a sell just here. You get the Crypto Guru Bot in the master course. So in my opinion, we are going to be dropping down. The Bitcoin indicator bot also fired a buy here. Interestingly enough, it fired a buy. We're bottoming out here. So I would actually, as long as Bitcoin can hold here, we got a big spike in volume when it bounced off. If Bitcoin can hold, then we can recover back up. But if it doesn't break through here, 20,000, if it doesn't break through and gets rejected, then you can keep your short open. So in my opinion, I would be rather shorting Bitcoin here, like we were from yesterday. But it did hold and it did have a bounce with volume. Stochastic, let's look in the hourly. So on the hourly, stochastic is turning down, RSI is heading up, and squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Let's see if RSI is having a divergence. It's moving sideways while the price is dropping. It's a bit bearish, not anything major there. Let's look in the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, RSI is heading up, oversold. We got to bounce with volume. That was the key. That actually held it up from dropping. But I'm not seeing anything of major bullishness here actually. Let's go back into the 4 hourly. On the 4 hours, stochastic oversold. On the daily, we've got more to drop, but it did have a big reset now. RSI is also still heading down. I would think Bitcoin isn't actually going to hold here. But if you haven't opened a short, I would only go short if it breaks underneath here, under the 19,493. I would put the stop loss just above it, so we're risking very little on this trade. And I'll put the take profit at the target. So I would choose shorting, but only if Bitcoin breaks beneath 19,493. You could go long here if we break out, retest, and head up. So there's two scenarios here. Either we break out, retest on the monthly of 20,000 and head up with volume, then you could be going long on Bitcoin. If it breaks underneath here, retest fails, then you can go short. That's the two options for Bitcoin at the moment, in my opinion. So you need to actually wait to see which Bitcoin chooses direction. But I would actually be going short here. This is the short that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video, you can sign up to Bybit. That's the exchange I use for trading. You can short, long Bitcoin, altcoins. You can buy altcoins. You can buy Bitcoin spot. Down underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. This link down below, you get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. When you go down below, you click this link, you sign up, it will give you this trading exchange, this software. And here I have 100 and it's not loading for some reason. Let's see what's in my account. Still hasn't loaded. 1 second. $163,000 in here. I've got 3.2 Bitcoin, which took a hit, and I've got $67,000 US. So I've got 67,000 US dollars and 63,700 3.2 Bitcoin. I have nothing open yet. My short from yesterday closed in a profit, which is beautiful. So I would actually be going, I would open this short, but again, only if Bitcoin breaks underneath. So the short would open at 19,493, and the take profit will be at, so it risks $360 to make $5,000 profits. With 10x leverage, it will be $50,000 profits. That's the short that I would take. And again, I would go long on, so I would only short Bitcoin if it breaks underneath, retest, and fails, and then going short. If it retests here and fails with volume, then going short. That's the short that I would open. If Bitcoin manages to recover here and breaks above 20,000, retests with volume, then I would open a long off there. But my main goal actually is to be buying Bitcoin as we head down. And I think Bitcoin can be heading down to these two targets, 17,280 and 12,637. There's 2 points that Bitcoin will have massive bounces off. And I've actually got a long set here. You can see at 12,600, I have a 14 Bitcoin long set at that price if Bitcoin manages to get down there. So that's my thoughts on what's happening with Bitcoin. Again, if you want to trade Bybit Bitcoin on using this link in the description of this video, also join us in the Telegram, James' new Telegram live alerts. In here, I'm giving free trades inside this Telegram group. There's more than almost 2,500 people in there, and I'm sharing a lot of trades in there. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin at the moment. That's what I think is happening in the market. Quick update, hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I'll do Ethereum in the next video. Thank you for watching, love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.